Hi, good morning, yeah. Today I am going to make sweet puda. The sweet puda means meetha wala puda. This is actually traditional, South India, wherever in Indian people, Diwali special actually they'll make. They'll make what? They'll make, that gulgule. Gulgule means you have to deep fry. Then I thought I don't want to deep fry this time. Just I want to make like dosa only. Dosa will be very nice. Sweet dosa actually I will tell you this. When my children are small, that time they used to ask me what is this ma. Then I used to tell sweet dosa. Then they will understand. They will eat. So this is I'm used to like that only sweet dosa. This is actually puda. Okay, for that we are use so actually this is a little bit healthy only. Why we are using only wheat flour, and next is a jaggery, and next third one is a somph. This is the somph actually. Okay, if you want cardamom, this you can use it. Elaichi powder will use, but I don't like this flavor, but they are telling that is healthy, you have to use. That is optional, whether you people want you can use it, otherwise not necessary. And first thing is you have to melt the jaggery. I already melted, yeah, otherwise it's very, we have to show, no. Then again the stones, mud will be there in the this thing. So what you have to do, you have to filter, like this only you have to filter properly, and it will be thick. See, I told like this only jaggery. Now remove. Then again what you have to do, see how much you wanted, how many dosas. And this is the somph I told see, this is the atta. See, this much, a little bit I like this aroma especially. Now you have to mix it slowly, you have to mix. Actually I'll mix it with the hands only. I thought okay I'll do like this also. Hmm. Careful one, dosa batter only you have to mix. See, yeah, like this only. The consistency you have to be like dosa only. Dosa will make it little thinner, but this is little bit thick. I'll show you how to see. Yes, now we make it little bit softer and little bit thick. Okay, yeah, come. Yes, little will make it only thick like this. Just leave it. Yeah. Now we are using the ghee. Always careful about the flame, that is only important. This is I'm using the ghee. Yes. See how nicely the holes is coming, because you have to keep it a little while. When mix it and keep it, then it will become like this only. Okay. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Yes. It's like dibbadote only, fluffy, Yes. Yeah, see, yeah. Now your puda is ready, sweet puda. See, love. Now have a look nicely, see. Then you can fold it like this if you want. Otherwise, okay, very soft and nice. Now time for tasting, yeah. Now we'll see. Really, I'm telling you, very smooth and very tasty. Now you people can try and let me know. Enjoy this moment also eating, okay?